Right, here we go with the Mustang. Let's see if we can make it do what it do. Let's take it up on the hill. Now, let's take it at the bottom of the field right here. Something about flying off of grass, I don't dig too tough. All right, here we go. It's a cable right there running through. So, but I'm gonna try to avoid hitting it. Uh-oh, what the hell? I think it's still tail heavy. It's still tail heavy. That's the glide right there. It's tail heavy still. But that 9.7 might be too much for it. That 9.7 might be a bit too much. All right, this is the first time it's been off the ceiling in about a year. Okay. This is usually how I crash shit, showing out. You know what I mean? I hit that telephone pole, so I'm done. Electric wire so many times. See, shit like that. Shit like that. I don't remember letting those wheels in. Make sure my puppy don't go. Okay, I'm gonna let the retrax down. Did it come down? I don't think so. Nope. Oh, not a retract stuff. Man. Okay, there they go. There they go. All right, let me slow it down. See if I can come in for a lane. I got to put another couple of double A's in the top, B. All right, here we go. So you got to fly it in. You can't just, and you can't, yeah, you got to fly it all the way down. You can't just think it's going to come on down by itself. Okay, you need more weight in the nose, that's all. That's all. The motor ain't hot. That's the wrong pilot in there too. This cat is just, that's that cheap when you get it with everything, you know what I mean? Cool, but we need the real one in there, you know what I mean? With the whole get up on it, you know? But my buddy gave me this one. I traded it for like one of them mini warbirds, you know what I mean? The little baby one. I couldn't fly, it was too low, too quick. But I couldn't fly, so just swapped it out. But I kind of want some more footage though, you know what I mean? I don't know if that battery gonna give out, let me check. We might be able to get another one here. This usually when you crash, when you try to get that last one in, that's when it goes on you. Just always scared my dog gonna get hit. See? Uh-oh. See, I get scared because I don't know where he at. Tail. Come off the ground pretty easy. You know what I mean? But see, you could tell. You can tell, man. She tail heavy. She ain't quite there yet, you know? And then the thrust from that 9.7 is a problem, man. kind of windy out, but that tail heavy groove is just, that's the glide right there. See, I think I got too much up in there. See, that thrust, you can't eat, you gotta ease into it, B, I mean. All right, let's see if we can bring it down, because I already know flying at tail heavy is just a deadly cocktail. But okay, uh-oh, whoa! Oh no. Fly down, Will, fly down, it's easy, easy. Deadly cocktail, B. All right, let's take it back home. You know what I mean? Get the battery out. All it burning up. Uh-oh. Oh, that's the tail. Okay, let me see. Oh, man, it's hot in here. Ain't no ventilation. Oh, man. I done puffed my battery and everything. See, that ain't cool. Battery puffy. Because ain't no ventilation. I don't know why it's no ventilation in this hole. Everything's supposed to be cool, though. I got a hole right there, but I got a bunch of shit blocking it. Just for that nose weight. So that ain't enough. It needs to have that hole open. Look at my dog. He's going. He's just looking for something here, though. You know what I mean? Watch this. Look at him. He got to go through and piss on everything the other dogs pissed on. Yeah. I think somewhere, you know what I mean, when my wife picked him up, you know, it's her dog, but every time I try to leave and stuff, you know, come fly, he just at the door, you know, won't let him leave, you know what I mean? And somebody forgot to tell him that, you know, he's not a pit bull, he's not a rock, you know what I mean? He's a little purse dog, a Yorkie mixed with something else, mixed with an alley cat, mixed with, you know what I mean, a couple of junkyard dogs and everything. So he's a bastard. But you gotta love him though. Look at him. I told him it was hot out here. I told him, I said, man, it's hot out here. You don't want to go out here. You know what he told me? Shut up and let's go. Bastard. All right. Hey, man, you ready to go home? You ready to go home? Huh? Baby boy, you ready? See, your tongue's sticking out. I know. Look at you. It's animal abuse, man. All right, man, we out. Okay. Crashed my airliner this morning.